Welcome to the Microsoft Intermediate Excel course. My name, your instructor, is Joe Gonzalez. And today, we're going to first start off by doing a little review. Now, in the basic class, we learned that 2 plus 2 equals 4 was translated in Excel to equals 2 plus 2 or equals A1 plus B1. In this course, we're going to take that a step further. And we're going to say 2 plus 2 equals 5. Now, we're still going to go ahead and write it out in Excel as in equals 2 plus 2 or equals A1 plus B1. But our result, which we're going to get in C1, would be 5. So as I said, C1 is where we're going to get the answer 5. Now, going back to our beginner course, we learned some basic functions such as sum, our average, and our min and max. Okay. In this next course, we're going to go ahead and discuss more advanced functions such as our if that will allow us to get to this answer.